So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can dropship easier, safer, and more reliably? That ain't even a word. Basically, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can dropship safer in 2021. Now, when people talk about dropshipping and e-commerce, they always relate back to Alibaba and Aliexpress. Although those two platforms are completely fine and safe to start dropshipping from, as a beginner, I would personally go down the eBay route, and I'm about to get into it in this video. Now, if you haven't noticed already, this is my brand new e-commerce slash dropshipping slash making money online channel. So if you're new around here, I urge you to smash a like on the video, as it genuinely motivates me to make more banging videos like this one. And I urge you to subscribe to the channel if you're new, to never miss an update on this channel. Now, I fully understand that starting a dropshipping shop or store or whatever you want to call it is very daunting. You don't really know what you're doing. You're spending a lot of money on Facebook ads. It's probably not really working out for you. And what I like to do here on this channel is put myself in your shoes. I understand that you're probably a beginner. You haven't really hit a £10,000 month on Shopify store yet. And the good thing is I don't gloat and say that I've made millions of pounds on Shopify, because I genuinely haven't. I've been dropshipping for about 2 or 3 years now, and I've only had 1 or 2 successful stores, but I don't turn around and call myself a millionaire or an e-commerce wizard. Like, I'm just not that person. I want to be real with you guys. I want to be fully transparent with you guys, and I want to show you guys as many winning products as possible so you can actually go out and make your own successful Shopify stores, so you can slowly move from that 9-to-5 job to sitting here like I do, making money online. Now, it comes down to one major thing. When you're dropshipping, running Facebook ads, sending traffic to your site, getting sales, the biggest downside to dropshipping is wait times. Unless you find an absolutely amazing supplier who can get their end product from China to your end destination in a couple of days, then this video is irrelevant. But I doubt you're going to find a supplier nowadays that are going to send your product from China to the United Kingdom, where I live, in under 3 working days. Unless you're paying for a premium service like FedEx next day delivery, where it's going to come over on a plane and it's going to cost you $1,000, then it's just not going to happen. And we're going to talk about this product in particular because I made a video on it 2 days ago, and it's a winning product in July 2021. If you've not seen that video, this is the thumbnail on the screen right now. I urge you to go and check it out. The link is in the description, but only after this video, not now. I'm about to explain something to you. I've done dropshipping where I've sent orders to China, and I've done dropshipping where I've purchased the items myself on eBay, and instead of sending them to my address, I've sent them straight to the customer's address. Now, there's 2 things that I want to explain in this video. There is one downside and there's one upside. There can never be all upsides when it comes to dropshipping and e-commerce. The downside to dropshipping through eBay, actually there's a few more upsides. There's not one big one, so I'll get into more of them. But the downsides to dropshipping through eBay is you're genuinely going to spend a few more pounds on each item you sell or buy. For example, this product on AliExpress and Alibaba is going to cost you back about $3 to $4. Sending it to your customer from China is going to cost you another $3 or $4, or maybe $5 or $6. So let's just say this product to get to an end customer's address is going to cost you $8 or $9. On eBay, this is going to cost you £7 or £8. Basically, eBay sellers buy thousands of that particular item and stock it in a warehouse, then create eBay listings and make a few pounds each product. So although they're making money, we've got to make money somehow. Personally, I found losing £2 of my profit for one product to do an easier, safer method of drop shipping is way worth it, especially if you're just starting out like I was 2 or 3 years ago. Now, the upside is faster delivery times, because if you're buying a product from the UK, if they're putting a 1st-class stamp on it, or sometimes even a 2nd-class stamp, it's going to receive between 1 or 2 working days, instead of China taking 7 to 14 days because it's got to come on a boat. Then it's going to be a massive issue like we had the last 2 years, where the whole world goes into lockdown. No items are coming in, no items are coming out. You've got import duty. Honestly, as a beginner, it's just a mess. So for example, if I created a Shopify store for that pet grooming product, well, not pet grooming product, it's a pet product, I'll then set my Facebook ads up. Let's say I'm scaling it to 10 or 15 pounds a day just to start with. And I get a sale on my Shopify store every day, or at the end of every day, I go to eBay, I order the amount of items I've sold, and in the notes to the supplier on eBay, I'll tell them that it's not going to my address and I'll send them the customer's address. Therefore, I'm not paying for any postage, I'm not paying for any packaging, and as a plus side, it's going to arrive within a few working days, like I said, instead of 14 days from China. Now, this method is only good if you're starting out and if you're a beginner, because if you're selling 100 of these a day, number one, the supplier in the UK, number one, may run out. But also you want to maximize your profits, because drop shipping is technically around 30 to 35% profit margins. That's from drop shipping from China, so you're probably going to be on about 25 to 30% if you're drop shipping within the UK. Now, obviously eBay is fantastic. If I'm in the UK and I want to start selling those products, then I would sell it to anybody in the UK and it's going to arrive within 2 or 3 days. But if I'm in America, I'm not going to use the UK eBay, I'm going to use the American eBay, again, because it's all local. The biggest downside to drop shipping in general is wait times and people complaining that they've either not received their package because it's been missing on a boat in the Mediterranean Sea for 2 weeks, or it's just taken too long to arrive. And 9 times out of 10, when it's a gimmicky product like this that's only costing you £10 and it's ended up as an impulse purchase, people actually forget they've ordered it and they can't remember they've ordered it because it's taken that long to actually get to the address. Like I said, this video is only targeted towards beginners who's selling 5 to maybe 10 products a day. And when you actually scale your store, for example, if you find your product is a winning product, you can do 1 or 2 things. The first thing is to scale it up to where you actually start drop shipping through Alibaba and Aliexpress, finding a really, really good seller. Or if you know your product is a winner and there's not many people selling it at the moment, let's say when these first came out and they were blowing up, I would have simply bought 5,000 of them from China and took some money out my savings account. And at the end of the day, it is a risk, but I'll have the box in my room and I can sell them out from the UK. So it's the same as eBay, but I hold the stock and I've bought them a lot cheaper from China, if that makes any sense to you guys. I have done that once in the past and it did go well, but it didn't go well at the same time. The reason why it went well is because, yes, the store hit over £100,000 in sales within 2 years of having the store live. But the downside is, in my apartment right now, I have a box filled with the product and I just simply can't sell them because the product is so saturated. Everybody either has the product already or they're just being mass sold and people are just too competitive, and I just genuinely cannot compete with the price they're being sold at in today's day. The only issue I found with that situation was holding stock is a lot safer, but it's also a lot riskier if you don't manage to sell a lot of your stock. I probably have about £2,000 or £3,000 leftover stock, simply because I bought them in from China instead of drop shipping them, which worked out well but didn't at the same time, and I'll cover that in a separate video. And also I want to cover what product it was. A lot of people ask me, what was your winning product that made you hit over £100,000 on your Shopify store? So I'll have more videos out in the future, but hopefully this video today helped you if you're a beginner when it comes to Shopify store. eBay is probably your best option because, like I said in all these points, safer, more reliable, you're gonna get less returns, less arguments, less customer emails. For what? Saving yourself £1 or £2 is it really worth it? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to smash a like on it, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll have some more videos coming in the next few days. But for now, it's time to watch the England game. Hopefully we win the Euros in 2021.